Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about all the chemical-free products and brands. This is kind of a mix of haul and also like reviews sort of stuff, which I'm going to be showing all the new products that I got, which are 100% good for your skin, and also a few of the brands and products which I already had. So if you're interested in this kind of video, please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So to begin with, chemicals are really harmful, but not all chemicals are harmful. There are very good chemicals as well. But it's difficult for us to know because all of us doesn't really know how chemicals work, what could be effect of those and all of those. So I actually studied a little bit about it, and I will share in my future videos what chemicals that you really need to avoid and how to read the ingredient list. But in today's video, I am going to share all the brands which you can use without having to worry about the damage through chemicals. All of these are Indian brands, which I'm so happy to say because all of these are very good brands. It's upon all of us to support these brands as well. Most of them are smaller brands as well. First, I will start off with all the products that I already had. First and foremost, I wanted to talk about this rose water from Kama Ayurveda. I will actually do a dedicated video on this because there is a lot to talk about this. This is an amazing product. Kama Ayurveda is a luxury brand. This rose water costs 250 rupees or 300 rupees, somewhere there. They also have different varieties of face mist. Because you might also think, why to waste so much of money on a rose water when you can get for 40 rupees. So I saw the ingredients in the one which is very cheaper, and the chemicals that are there inside of that is really harmful, and I would 100% suggest to avoid those things. And also, this is 100% distilled rose water. There is anything else in this one. It's just pure rose water. This is my favorite product. Next is also a face mist from this brand called Chronocare. I got this in a Glam Eco box. I wasn't really aware of this brand before I got it. I really like the concept of it controls the attraction of dust on your face. They also have so many other skincare products. I have not tried any of those things. I would recommend this one anytime. The next product that I had was this body lotion from Forest Essential. Again, Forest Essential is an Indian brand which is also a luxury brand. This is a body lotion gifted to me by my friend. Again, I knew about this brand before, and also it is a little expensive, as I mentioned before. For this much of body lotion, I think it was 275 or 300 rupees again. But the feeling after you apply this is so amazing. It feels silky smooth. You can use other products also. If you have tried these products, you might know how rich and luxurious it feels on your skin. I really like the smell of this also. It has really good ingredients and it smells so divine. Next product I want to talk about is this under eye gel. Again, I have talked about this in my previous video. This is an under eye gel from this brand called Aroma Magic. It is one of those most affordable brands which has so many different varieties of skincare products. If you have dark circles, I don't think this is such a good product. They also have another variant in this. This really helps me sleep better, and it actually calms my eyes, and also it helps moisturize around my eyes. You should not let your under eye dry. It will cause wrinkles in the future. It is really important to moisturize the skin around the eye. The next product that I already had was this lip balm from the brand called Nyasa. I think that's how you say it. The only reason that I got this was because it is in bubblegum flavor. I really wanted to try that, and it was in my wish list for a really long time, and finally I got it. And later I realized that this is another brand which is chemical free and not so moisturizing like how I would like to be. But the thing is that it doesn't chap your lips. Some lip balms can also chap your lips after they dry out. So those are all the products that I had previously in my collection. Now let's move on to the new products that I got. Amongst those, my favorite one is this face wash from this brand called Sirona. This is another affordable. I got the face wash and I'm so happy with this purchase. I actually went through all of the ingredients that it has, and I was really happy before buying this as well. It has mint oil, flaxseed, Tasmanian pepper fruit, and apricot seed powder. This is a mixture of both face wash and scrub. It doesn't have any harsh particles in it. It has very mild particles. Amazing part about this is that it smells so amazing, and instantly you can see the result after like 2-3 washes, I can say. It gives that cooling freshness also, and you will definitely feel that it is working on your skin. Next thing I ordered was again from this brand called Aroma Magic. I ordered a sunscreen spray. Actually, I was looking for some good sunscreen. Then I came across this one. This actually retails for rupees 450. I think that is the expensive side of this brand. This comes in this spray bottle. This is SPF 30. Of course, you have to keep reapplying. SPF 30 is generally not so enough for your skin for throughout the day. Some sunscreens might leave that white cast on your face, but this does not. I read a lot of reviews and then only I ordered this. I like it. For somebody who has oily skin, I think you have to touch up a little bit with the powder. The next product I got was this face mask from this brand called Khadi Naturals. Again, Indian, one of the most inexpensive brands. I think I paid 125 rupees for this one. I will leave links to all of the products in my description box. This is a neem, basil and mint herbal face mask. This is really good for somebody who has acne and also acne scars. It helps reduce both. Instantly after one application, I think you can see the result. It also smoothens the skin texture. I really like this. I think you can use it once in a week or twice in a week. Container is of steel, which is amazing. The next product comes in a very similar container, but it's a different product. It's a lip scrub from this brand called Tijori. I have used a face pack from this brand. I absolutely loved that product. This is a mint and coriander lip scrub. I ordered it mainly because I read the ingredients. I really like the ingredients like mint and coriander. I feel like for the price that I have paid, I think the quantity is really low. I have only used it once, so I cannot really say how it works. But Tijori is a brand which I've already used before. I can say it is really good. Next, another favorite of mine. I think I have been using this ever since I got it. It is this Organic Harvest lip balm. It also comes in the shape of that US lip balm. It also has different fragrances. This is a mint one. This comes in this square box sort of thing, and this is how the lip balm looks. I really like the smell of this. It is, I think, so far one of the best lip balms that I've used. It makes sure that your lips are moisturized for a really long time. The next product I want to talk about is this body lotion from the brand called the Mom's Co. Of course, the Forest Essential one which I showed is a little expensive, so I had to buy another body lotion. I have heard about this brand, but I did not know that they were 100% natural and free of all harmful chemicals. So I ordered this to try. I have not tried this yet. I'm using another body lotion for now. I will start using once that is over. The ingredients are amazing. It smells very nice. The quantity is also good for the price. I will let you know on my Instagram when I use it if I like it or not. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do follow. The next product I want to talk about is a shampoo. I'm trying this shampoo out. Of course, I've used it for about 4 to 5 times for now. And this is from this brand called Arata. I found about them on Instagram actually. It costs 575 rupees for 300 ml, which is a normal price, I can say. I haven't seen any reduction in hair fall or any major difference. I still have to use it for a little while more and then I can review this. The last product that I want to talk about is this brand called Sage Apothecary. This is a body wash. I don't know if they have any other products in their brand. I found this on Amazon. It has sage, lavender and mint. This is lavender and mint fragrance. It's really nice. Some people might not like the fragrance of sage, but I kind of like it. I don't know, I don't have any complaints about it. Usually natural products tend to lather very less. You have to use a little bit more product. But more than this lather very well, I can say. and I like this. I also feel like this is a little expensive for the quantity. So that's all I have for today's video. If you like any of these brands, if you've used any of this brand, let me know in the comment section below. And I hope this video was helpful for you to find some of the good natural chemical free brands. If it did, like this video and also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one.